Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Tuesday the 6th, day after Labor Day. We were not on the charts yesterday just because it was Labor Day yesterday. But here we got on US30. You can see that there's a clear rejection at this resistance that we had drawn up last week, right? This is where we basically took our buy off of on Friday. You can see here we've seen a little bit of a pattern forming, seen the respect given here. But now you could actually see prices breaking below the 15-minute 50 EMA right here, which I do like. More clear rejections right here. And you can see this level is a little bit, we could do something like that right there. And it's a little bit more obvious as well. Man, it's pushing down pretty crazy. We still got 5 minutes left. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, it looks even better right here. Wow. Shit. It looks like the move already happened. Let me go. This is what I was thinking we would need to do. Same thing right here. I said the same exact thing, and it basically came out perfectly, or played out perfectly. Um, you can see this respect being shown right here as well. I think there's a clear breaker structure. I like what I'm seeing right here on the EMAs. I'd like to see a retrace and see if we could get back up to these levels again. Right, there's the 15-minute. For me personally, I think we did hit a key level, right? Let me show you on this side real quick. Hey, what's up, Marcus? Nice to see you on here, man. Thank you for hopping on. So let me show you something. Man, it's pretty crazy. This is one of my pride and joys right here. Is I showed my buddies like, hey, this is a key level right here. This is a key level right here, and this is a key level right here. And you can see price is kind of drawing out right now. But this is a golden zone IOC right here, and you can see the respect is somewhat shown right now. We obviously still have 7.5 hours today. It could push up, but I think for the most part, I think we're coming down. Now, if we go down to the 1 hour and see what it's showing us here, yeah, you can see it's basically, I think it's on its way to create a lower low. So let's see if we can get, so coming down this way, 11,800 area possibly. Yeah, so let's see if we could get a retracement. I like either of these. Now that we've kind of broken right here, see what's what. We'll see how price reacts to this area right here. Obviously, we have a clean ILC that is being respected. Right here. That is definitely a buy ILC. But we'll see if we can get a bit of a retracement. And then similar on this side. I think this one's a little bit more clear in that you could see that this is like a flag right here, right? Kind of broke the flag right now. Something like that, right? Like this is a little bit more clear of a bear flag being formed. Let's see, broke the lows. If we could get a retracement up here, I'd like to go ahead and take it. Either of these, NAS or US30. Let me get NAS up on this side. All right, let me get my phone ready. I mean, it definitely looks like it's coming down. I don't think there's any doubt about that. Let's see if we can get a retracement to hop into the trade, though. It's go time. Alright. Doesn't look like it's coming up much. See if we could get a retracement, maybe back up to this level up top. It's definitely coming up. Man. Alright, I put a little sell in right now. Still early in the clock though. This is a little sell. I wouldn't. Mm, I mean, it's a risky trade right here. We're in it. We're in around 449. So let's see if it can make its move down from here. But there's still a lot of time here. About 20 seconds. So let's see what it does. I got in at, what did I say? 449 is where I'm at. So see if we get a see if we could get this thing falling. Uh, so I'm in. Let me see here. Let's see if I can get this right. I'm down about 20 pips. I might add a position when once it gets up there, but I got to see how this 5 minute finishes. Because if it finishes engulfing, then the trade might be invalidated. Let's see if we can see it move our way now. No way. Well, Nas did exactly what I was hoping US30 would do, but let's see. See if we could get this pulled down. If we could get this to fall down a bit more, I would like it. Um, so we could see here that there really is a support level being built right here, resistance to support level. We've actually had it drawn out since the first, and you can see it here, right? So let's see what it gives us right now. If we could see it blow through here. Let me see something else. And it looks decent. I think it should come down. I think it's definitely a possibility, but it is staying up there. So that's something, right here at the zone, right? Right here at the zone. So we gotta make sure that it does make its move down. Now again, if it takes me out, it takes me out. I'm not gonna be too worried about it, but we'll see what the market gives us. See if we could ride this down. And honestly, I'd like to see us create a lower low. Um, we might not see it. So look, we have somewhat of an area of interest, right? If you can see it here on the 5 minute or the 15 minute, here on the 5 minute, we do have it. But we could see there's a bit of a rejection right there at the 15 minute. So I am hoping that we could see ourselves come down here. The only way we could really see that. So let's draw out the fib from the correct area. Okay. So I think it's possible for us to see it come down here. But is it really? That's going to be the big issue. Is it really going to make its way down here um, to create a lower low? Because we could see this low broke out this low, and we have a bit of a bear flag forming right here. So I could see it coming down. It's just a matter of, is it? Has to break through this support level, this resistance to support level, right? So you got to make sure it does all these things. It's not really doing it though, so that's what I'm worried about. Still got 2.5 minutes here. I'd like to see it break through the support level, but you can see the respect that's being shown here. So let's see. We really got to get it to break below these lows, right? Break below these lows and make its way down. That's what we need. So let's see if it can happen. All right, let's see if it can break through here. There's going to be a key area. So we're up close to 50 pips now, right? I guess this is about right. So let's see if we could get this continuation down. I'm going to pull some profits right here just to pull. Ah, I hate when I do that. Yeah, let's see if it comes down. All right, yeah, I'm going to pull some profits right now just to secure some. All right, just pull some profits. Um, Move stops to break even. I would definitely do that. Move stops to break even. We're getting close to that 100 pip mark right now. It looks pretty damn bearish right now. I like what I'm seeing. Let's see if we could get a continuation down. See if it can use this level as a resistance right here and make it continue its way down. Yeah, let's go. All right, I have a .02 runner now. That put me at 600 for the day. I'm gonna move my stops a little bit lower. 3143. All right, let's see if we can get a continuation down. We might see a bit of a retracement up right now. Now, I think we do need to break these lows, though. I think we need to continue to make our way down and break these lows, and we'll see what the market gives us, really. We're still up over 100 pips. Marcus, I hope you're able to make some money with me today, man. Uh, Patience definitely helped right here today. Definitely, definitely. So let's see if we could get a continuation down. So just crossed over that 100 pip mark. Pulled profits. We got our runner in there now. Let's see if we could get it down to create a lower low. And let's see, man. Hey, what's up, Marcus? Yeah, I'll be streaming tomorrow too. I'll be on there. We got our continuation down going. Let's see. I don't know. Truthfully, I think I want to just pull it, but it does look like it has some strength to come down a little bit more. I just want to secure my profits. You know what I mean? That's kind of where I'm at with it. But it does look like it wants to make its way down. But if you look at it's respecting where it needs to respect right now. That's for sure. Um, you can see the 1 minute, a lot of respect. I'm gonna secure another. So now I just got a .01 runner. I'm gonna basically let this thing go for the rest of the day, maybe. I think it should create that lower low. This thing's a beaut though. Look at that thing. Right up to the 15-minute 50 EMA. Now it's making its way down. What a beauty. Let's go. What's up, Johnny? Happy to see you on here, bro. Man, massive move right here. We're up about 140 pips right now. Well, 126 now, but it was 140. And you can see the area that it's somewhat respecting right here, right? We got this area that we drew out. This is an area that price bounced off to create this huge push up, right? And now it's showing a little bit more respect at this zone right here. Yeah, it might make its move up, you know, push back up to the zone up here. Probably have the 5 minute a little bit dropped. Oh no, it's still up here too. Yeah, I mean we'll see what the market gives us. I think it should continue down. Um, oh, yeah, maybe it is. Look at that. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Man, it's a good way to start the week though. We were on yesterday, or the week before. I'm about to hit that 150 pip mark. And you know that's my biggest issue is holding my entire trade the entire length of the of what I'm trying to do, right? Like if I had a point one in here, so that's $10 a pip, you know, basically. So if I held it for 140 pips, that's $1,400, right? But instead of having 1,400, I have half of that, which is 730. So it's something that I gotta definitely work on. You know, getting my shit right, holding my trades to fruition, um, to completion, all the way through. You know, but you know, I just feel more comfortable taking my profits as we move down the line. You know what I mean? His price is as it kind of plays out to do what I want it to do or what I think it's going to do. Um, I think one of the big things for me is just holding on. I have a hard time holding on to trades, and I think that's my biggest issue, truthfully. So we're up about 157 pips right now. So let's go. It's a beauty. Ooh, shit, boy. I wish I would have held this motherfucker in there. 170 pips. I just pulled it. I don't know why. I just wanted to secure my day. Um, yeah, I just wanted to secure my day right there. Let's go. 170 pips. I'll take it. Um, I should have held my trade. But you know, 18 minutes, $900. You can't really beat that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? No. So, shit. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Hey, Johnny, that's what I'm saying, man. Just stick to this shit, dog. You're still young. I'm still working on patience and all that shit too. Just keep sticking to it, dog. You're gonna be a multi-millionaire by the time you're 25 if you fucking show up every day. I promise you that. Cause you're what, 17, 18 right now? 7 years from now, you'll be a multi-millionaire if you're on this shit daily. That's a guarantee. If you do what you need to do, which is level up and you know, challenge yourself, you're gonna be well on your way to be a multi-millionaire by the time you're 25. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy, man. I think this shit goes farther. Both you guys are in here. I think this shit does go farther. Um, It's just a matter of, I think it's going to create a lower low. I think it'll make it at least to this level, which is what, 337 pips. I think it's very, very possible to do that, right? So, because it's falling. Ain't no doubt about that. This shit is falling. So, let's go, man. I just pulled my trade like a dum-dum. I think it's gonna probably get down to that green line. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that green line right there. But fuck it. 18 minutes. You can't beat it. Let's go. Yeah, if you guys could show some love on your Instagrams or whatever, I gotta really start focusing on trying to grow this. Um, not for any money. Obviously, you don't make any money on this shit, especially with 80 followers or anything or subscribers. But I definitely just want to help more people. So if you guys could show some love on Instagram or whatever, you know what I mean? That'll be cool. Especially if you made some money today, give me a little like, little subscription, some comments. I think that boosts up the algorithm to get it a little bit more viewed. And then I'm gonna start working on doing some better thumbnails, doing some reviews, why I took trades. I was doing that in the beginning. I didn't have that much time, but now that I do have time, I'm gonna start making sure that I get to this shit and really putting in the work. So yeah, for sure, Marcus. Appreciate it, man. Um, so yeah, I mean today was a good trade. We seen the retracement up. I like what I seen, truthfully. So overall, all in all, I think it was a solid trade today. I think we're probably gonna hit, if I had to guess, I think we're gonna hit that 330. I mean, obviously, I pulled my trade at 170 pips, but I think it's possible for us to hit that 330 pips. Um, the one thing I'd say is don't get greedy. Take your profits when you can, and you know, it's the thing that saves me most of the time, and it's the thing that kills me most of the time. Like it saves me from losing money, and it saves me from making more money. Um, so, it's like a double-edged sword. That thing is flying right now. Let me see, is there news on this shit? Is there news that dropped today? I forgot it's Tuesday, so we could have news that came out today. Oh yeah, we did. ISM. So good thing we got out before the news drops right here. It's big news. Um, I don't know exactly what it is. Let's see. Institute for Supply Management. Level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers, excluding the manufacturing industry. Greater than forecast is good for currency. Above 50 indicates industry expansion. Below indicates contraction. Um, Leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. Okay. So expect volatility in the markets to be high. Several central banks and members. Okay. So we got this red folder right here, orange folder that already hit. So we were already out at, let's see what happened at 645. I mean, it's just been pushing the same. Damn, I should have left that bitch in there. I would have hit a rack. It's already up 250, man. Damn, that's crazy as hell. And see, that's where I'm gonna get off right now, but I just want to tell you guys my biggest issue right here is pulling profits early, right? There's no reason I should have pulled these profits right here, right? There is no structure breaking. There is no, all these candles look like they're gonna continue to come down, right? Especially this one, right? The one that I pulled my trade at. This especially looked like it had at least another 50 pips in it to come down on this next candle, right? The only reason I pulled this trade, only reason I pulled this trade was because um, it was gonna take me to $900, right? So right here, and it was 170 pips. I'm like, that's a big trade. That's probably the biggest trade I've caught in the past couple weeks, right? So, um, there was all of that, but there was no structure breaking, right? And the good traders, they see this, right? Look at the 20 EMA being respected this whole time. The only time you pull your trade, from what I've noticed over the past couple months, is when you see price breaking through the 20 EMA, then breaking through the 50 EMA, and you wait for it to create that lower low, right? You wait for price to kind of consolidate and move up, consolidate, move up, respect the 20 EMA, then come down, right? Usually it does that. So there was no reason for me to pull my trade out where I pulled my trade out. And right there, I was counting dollars instead of looking at the structure of what the market was giving me. So I did leave a lot of money on the table, especially pulling at 60 pips, at 80 pips, at 100 pips. You know what I mean? Like I pulled the majority of my trade by 100 pips basically. So that's something I have to work on because I had a point one in there. So you got to realize we're at 255 pips right there. With that point one, that's $2,500. And instead of making $2,600, I made 900, which don't get me wrong, that's a great day, right? But I'm just saying that I'm leaving money on the table by not following the structure of what the market's doing. You know what I mean? So I got to get better at that. Like literally, I could have just took this trade and been like, fuck it, I'm done for the week. You know what I mean? 2,500, that's basically my goal for the week. Um, 25 to 35 is kind of where I'm happy at. But I got to get past that. It's not about the money, it's about the trade and the pips and the love of the game. So, I got to stop worrying about the money and really holding my trade to completion. Because, I left about, let's just say, $1,600 on the table, $1,700 on the table just from pulling my positions early. So, something I got to work on as a trader. We'll get there, but, it is what it is. And you can see it here. So, let's see when you guys are watching it, if you guys are still watching it. Wait to see if price comes up. We got an IOC right here with 20 EMA. Maybe we see the rejection and then it come down even more because there really hasn't been a retracement at all. Shit. Um, so, you know, just got to get better at that. So, come on, we'll get better at it next time, and that's all we can do. But I appreciate you guys for hopping on today. I'll be on tomorrow, and yeah, to get to the bread. You know what? Let me see what the news is tomorrow. Maybe we have some shit coming out early. Let's do CAD. So this is CAD. Okay, so we have FOMC members speaking tomorrow at 6:58. So yeah, 7 o'clock tomorrow we got FOMC members. 9:35, 11. Yeah, we got that news coming out tomorrow. Those dudes speaking. Then we have unemployment coming out on Thursday, and we got Powell speaking at 6:10. So this is pre NY, right? September 9th. Wholesale inventories, FOMC members. Shit, it is a big week on this Friday. Yeah, it's a big week. That's crazy. So overall, I think it's a big week, man. We gotta be careful. Um, yeah, so we'll see what happens, man. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. I'll be on tomorrow, 6:15, and we'll get to it then, man. Thank you guys for tuning in, man. Thank you guys a bunch. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, I only caught 170 out of the 260, but we'll get better at that shit sooner than later.